Good morning, everyone. Our today's topic is Business Studies Class 12, Chapter 5, Organizing. And today I am going to explain you meaning of organizing, concept of organizing, and the process of organizing. As you know, management has 5 functions. First was planning, second was organizing, staffing, directing, and controlling. So from today onwards, we are going to start second function of management, that is organizing, and in business studies, that is chapter number 5. And today I am going to explain the concept of organizing and process. In this chapter, this year, only one topic related, that is formal and informal organization. So, concept of organizing. Let's learn organizing in a very simple way. Suppose you have objective to achieve more than 90% in your board exams this year and to get admission in reputed college university. So, you'll have to achieve more than 95%. So, what you have done to achieve your objective? Decided your plan. Okay. Now, what you have to do? Arrange your plan, you made your plan to got the good marks, then get the admission in good reputed college. I'm sure you all must have prepared a plan for it. Plan may be like to devote at least 5 hours in a self-study each subject. Then next, what you have to do? Your plan is perfect, but for achieving your goal and to be successful, you will require some physical resources. You have to organize or arrange some resources. So after planning, next chapter is organizing. Organizing means you have to arrange the resources, organize the resources. See, for your relevant example, you will require physical resources like all relevant books, a place, one resource like a teacher or mentor. So, and you have to prepare notes and all other things. Means you are organizing. All this is a part of organizing function of management. Now, meaning of organizing. If you want to write, you can write on paper. See, organizing translates plans into action by deciding who will perform a particular task, how and where it will be performed. In planning, we decide the action, and in organizing, translate plan into action. Now see, organizing is the process of defining and grouping the activities of the enterprise and establishing authority relationship among them. This definition is related with the process of organizing. Next, organizing process. If you want to note down the definition, you can note down, and to make your answer effective, you should write the name of. Okay, name also. See, to organize a business is to provide it with everything useful to its functioning. Raw material, machines, capitals, and persons. That definition given by Henry Ford, father of principles of management. Means what he is saying is, if you want to achieve your goal, so you require some resources. Resources means like raw material, machines, tools, capitals, and persons. So next is organizing process. The organizing process, one keyword is there. I, E, A, E. You can make the process in this way, or earlier I explained you in the stairs way, or you can make the diagram by this way. See, you should make your answer presentable by different flow charts, different diagrams. See the process of organizing. I, identification and division of work. E, departmentalization. A, assignment of duties. Then E, establishing within relationship. So you can make the diagram by this way, and if you don't want to make by this way, there are various other ways, like you have to present by this way. I, E, A, this is the process of planning. So there are various ways to present the answer, but this is my request to you. In process, you have to follow the proper steps. Don't skip or change any step. Okay, so you have to make your keyword according to the steps. Like here, I, A, first I, identification and division of work. D, departmentalization. A, assignment of duties. E, establishing reported relationships. Accordingly, we will move towards, you can note down IDAE. You can make this type of diagram also, like in the process. First, identification and division of work, then write after diagram each step. Identification and division of work means in the organization, the total work, the all activities should be divided into specific jobs according to the pre-planned way. The job means the related task should be performed by the individual. What work will be performed? It should have a specific and definite task to be performed. Specific and definite means everyone should be assigned according to the tasks. Tasks should be specific and definite. That should not be confused. Identification and division. Now, what is division of work? In chapter 2, Principles of Management, the first principle was division. Division of work means all the activities of the organization should be divided into smaller parts or smaller tasks, and that should be assigned according to the qualification, knowledge, skill, capability. So there will be specialization and perfection in the work. So same here in organization, the first step in organizing process is to identify and division of work. Means first identify what work has to be performed, what is the specific and clear and definite job or task to be performed. Now, division of work means the work should be divided according to the knowledge, skill, capability, experience. Okay. Now, what will be the benefit of division of work? That will lead to specialization. Specialization and perfection of work. How? When we divide the work, so by doing the same work again and again, the person will become perfect, specialized in his task. and that will avoid duplication of work. Duplication of work or wasteful activities should be avoided. Management must ensure that all the activities required to achieve organization objectives are to be identified. Means all activities should be divided, identified, and then divided. Division of work should be given. All activities must be. You can see the example of the school, of bank, railways, different organizations. But what they have to do, they identify what activities have to be performed and accordingly they divide the work. Division of work is there. So they divide the work according to the knowledge. See in the school, office staff is separate, library is separate, teaching people is separate, and again in teaching, some teachers are teaching commerce, some are English, some are social studies. So the work will be according to knowledge, skill, capabilities, experience, and then by doing the same work again and again, the person will become perfect in his task. So the first step of organizing is identification and division of work. Then I am giving you the example of an industry. Each worker has a specific task. Division of work in the organization. Various activities are to be performed. So the whole workers and divided according to the activities. Each worker has a specific task. Now, I'm sure you all must understand the first topic, first process, and the first process was identification and division. Third, this is the first step of organizing process. First, all activities are to be identified and then divide according to the knowledge. That is known as division of work. You can make this diagram. It means each worker has a specific. See, if you want to save efforts, time, money, resources, what you have to do? You divide the work according to the knowledge, skill, capabilities. Now next is D. D. Departmentalization. What is departmentalization? Similar activities should be grouped together, like in the school also. Commerce department, science department. Means what they are doing? They are doing similar activities. Same in the organization, like purchase department, sales department, marketing department, finance department. So departmentalization means similar and related jobs into larger units or departments, which is also known as divisions, sections, okay, and placing them under a department head. It facilitates specialization. Same like division. Departmentalization means grouping similar and related work or activities into one group. The departments are linked together and are interdependent. They are linked together, but they work as independent. How they are interrelated and how they are interdependent. Production department and marketing are separate, interdependent, but they are interlinked also. How they are interlinked also? Because production department and marketing department coordinate with each other. Now, what is the aim? Aim is achieving coordination of action, as you learn in chapter 2. Department intervention can be done on the basis of functions like just now I tell you, marketing department, finance department, production department. You can make department according to the products, like data tea, data salt, data chemical, data legal. According to the product, they can make the departments. Then territories also, like CBSE. Is divide according to the territories. Western, Northern, Central, Eastern. Okay, so departmentalization can be done on the basis of functions also. My dear children, see, this is the second step of organizing. What they had to do? First, in the first step, they identified and divided the work. Then, in the second step, they made the department. Department means the similar activities should be grouped together and make one department, one division, one section. Like all commerce students are in 12C section. So this is departmentalization. Same in the organization also. They made the departments, but departments are interlinked but interdependent also. And the aim of departmentalization is coordination. They work like a team, but they are interdependent. And how the departmentalizations can be done? On the basis of functions to be performed means one department is producing, one is marketing, one is for finance, like this. Few organizations can be made on the basis of products also, like textile department, chemical, power, etc. Like Reliance also. That territory is just now I gave you the example, east, north, west, according to that. Okay. Second step is departmentalization. See, under the general manager, various departments are there. HR department, purchase, production, marketing. Third step. Third step is signing of assignment of duties means once you make the department, now what will be the next step? You have to assign duties. So assigning duties according to the skills, capabilities. Okay. Like one gardener is doing different thing, I am doing different thing. So they assign duties according to management assign duties according to the knowledge, skill, capability, experience. Okay, so third step of organizing process is assignment of duties. Assignment of duties, say define the work of different job position and allocate the work accordingly. Once departments are formed, the department is placed under the charge of an individual. Jobs are assigned to an individual best suited to perform it, but that should be according to the qualification, experience, ability, aptitude, knowledge, capabilities. Okay, so people should be matched with duties. Now, activities of finance should be assigned to person having qualification and experience in finance. Just now I gave you the example. Now, gardener is doing his work, teacher is doing her work. The assignment of duties generally. And after, see, in the third step, identification and division of work, departmentalization, and once the departments made, then the next step is assignment of duties. I, B, A. How to write? In the organization, organizing process, first identification and division of work and departmentalization, and after departmentalization, the next step is assignment of duties. Duties should be assigned according to the knowledge, skill, capabilities, and work of different positions. Allocate accordingly. Then the last step, E. E. Establishing reporting relationship. It means who is superior and who is subordinate. Who is answerable to who? It is to be clearly mentioned that you are answerable to whom. Okay, who is superior, who is subordinate. So establishing reporting relationship. So how to write? This is the last step in the organizing process after identification and division of work, departmentalization, and assigning duties. The last step is establishing reporting relationships. See, in this step, granting requisite authority to enable employees to perform the job satisfactorily, superior subordinate relationships between different people and job positions created so that everybody knows from whom he is to take answer and to whom he can issue orders. Means the position, authority should be clear. Relationship should be clear to whom we have to receive the orders or instructions and to whom we can issue the orders. You can see this example in the school clearly. Receive the orders from our superior, a coordinator, vice principal, or principal, and to whom we can issue the orders. We also know it. So, last step in organizing process is to make the superior subordinate relationships, means who is superior, who is subordinate, who has power or authority to give responsibilities, who is accountable to whom, who has responsible power to give duties. So, in this step, management hierarchy creates a chain of command from the top manager to the individual at the lowest level. This helps in coordination, teamwork, unity is possible. Working congenial environment is possible only if everybody knows their work, their department, their duties, and their and for smooth and congenial working environment in any organization, that is necessary that everyone knows their work, everyone cares about departments, everyone should have clear, specific, definite tasks, and everyone should know who is superior, who is subordinate, who has power or authority to give to the orders. Generally, ideally in chapter 2, management hierarchy, the middle operation. Top level issues instructions to middle level to operational level. So this is in organizing process also. It is to be clear that who has power to give the orders. You can see this diagram. This is the best diagram to show the reporting relationship. Reporting relationship means who is superior, who is subordinate. You can see these two are the answerable to this. These two are answerable to this person and this. This is top level management. These two middle level management, operational level management, and the workers. Means everyone should know their role clearly. See, establishing reporting relationship means the giving powers to explain their superior subordinate relationships so people can know about their work properly, what work they have to do. I am explaining you. Today I explain you process concept of organizing. See, in the organization, various resources are there. So, in this chapter, physical, human, all resources should be assembled to implement the plan. Action, man, material, money, machine, method. M's are required for organizing process. Now, after organizing concept, I explain that organizing process. I E A E. You can make the diagram as I explained it. Identification and division of work. Identification and division of work means in the organization first to identify all the activities to be performed. Division of work means all the identified activities should be according to the knowledge, skill, capability, experience. Okay. Now, when you divide all the activities, first step of organizing, then second, departmentalization. When the manager or the organization divide the activities, divide the work, now similar activities should be grouped together so that one section, one department can be grouped. Second is departmentalization, means similar activities should be grouped together, like purchase department, sales department, finance department, or in the school also you can see. First, they divide science, commerce. Then they made the sections or commerce department, science department, or the section of students also. This is departmentalization. Okay, in big organization that is possible. But how to make departments? See, in Tata, they made the departments according to the product. Tata salt, Tata tea, Tata vehicle, Tata automobiles, Tata finance. Means these are the ways. In big organizations, they made the departments according to the products, according to the territories, okay, according to the functions. Purchase department, sales department. So these are on the basis of functions and territories. East, west, north, south. Accordingly, they divide their work. So second is department. And then the next step after departmentalization, you make the departments, now you assign the duties. So the organization or the managers assign the duties. The third step is assigning. And the last step is establishing relationship, means who is superior, who is subordinate, who has powers to issue orders to whom accordingly to perform. I'm sure that you must understand topic, concept of organizing, and process of organizing. So for process of organizing, you should learn a very small keyword, that is IDAE, identification and division of work, D, departmentalization, A, assigning duties, and E, establishing reporting relationships.